Don't miss this 2011 Dodge Avenger. It's equipped with automatic transmission and features a black exterior. With 23,534 miles, you'll want to take this vehicle home. Make a great choice today. Contact Dodge Land of Columbia at 877-317-8202 and see this vehicle firsthand.